Box cover, this is Duttyberry, and no, it is not a brand new social media countdown. This is the year in review of 2022, the social media countdown edition. No, last year was quite it was an eventful year for many, but it was also a year filled with many of radams, many moments that just got the pop culture fans buzzing. So let's get into the social media countdown 2022 year in review. Let's go. Oh, and I'm going to do a top 30. So oh God, why can't I ever figure out what I'm doing? I'm going to do a top 30 list. So let's get into it, okay?
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, the box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Alright, so first up, starting off is the lives then between Marian Hall, Lady Saw, and Spice. Now, the two were back and forth. Lady Saw, basically, she was talking about the women in the dancehall industry. She called up Spice's name. Spice reacted to it. She went on live with Pampute, and it was just a whole event.
Lady Saw, bring bed down at Sunfest. You gonna bring bed now? It played out. Get it in your head. Somebody need to tell you.
At airport and Lady Saw walk back and make talk to me. And you don't know, me not tell her nothing, Me have it in a ball and in a
because me didn't wonder still, me don't wonder say, why, big Lady Saw, big Mama Saw walk there that Spice. I say, Gracie, and what, I say, so, oh, can't you know good?
Alright, so number 29, the Mitchells welcoming their first baby girl. Oh my God, Ivy, big up yourself, because this wish, the whole entire country was praying and hoping for that day. And as for this young one that Tommy is carrying right now, I don't know if Tommy really wants this girl baby. Probably she does. Maybe Wayne want a little girl for himself as well. So if it is to be, make it happen, Father God, okay? Alright, so number 28, we never put her as number 9 this time. Shakari. Now, Shakari is somebody who you either love or you just strongly detest. And last year, she, broke news of a relationship that she had with a Jamaican athlete. And I was in a relationship with a Jamaican athlete that never cared about me from the jump, Richardson said. I was abused and stole from, yet protected her from judgment of her country and family while they dragged me. I had to deal with homophobia and so much more that I'm healing from. She could have told this entire thing without going into detail like that, but I still feel as if this girl has been through a lot, and she's just at a stage right now where she's trying to figure out herself, and she honestly just needs some healing. Okay, Shakari, so let's see if 2023 will have more updates from this ever trending athlete. Like, I just hope that we see more of her on the track and not so much yapping off our mouth. Let's just pray for that, okay? Number 27 now, I have to go and talk about the drone show at the National Stadium for the Jamaica 60 celebrations. Oh my God, come on.
All right.
No, number 26 is Lexi the Best car crash. Like, this was just a tragic moment. 2022, it was all about the social media influencers. Like, it was just not a good year for the influencer community. Just tragedy after tragedy. And yeah, just so sad that, we lost the winner of the 876 Roommates reality show, Lexi the Best.
According to Loop News, they say that 3 people were killed in a crash on the North Coast Highway in Trelawney on Friday, March 18. Now, 25-year-old Kemar Smith, Lexian Williams of Chalky Hill, St. Anne, and 31-year-old Chris Codner of St. Anne, they all died on the scene. Now, reports from the Duncans police are that around 6:40 p.m., Smith was driving a Toyota Mark X motor car from Falmouth towards St. Anne. Williams was a passenger in the Mark X. It is alleged that upon reaching the vicinity of Spring Hill, the driver of the Mark X lost control of the vehicle, which then crashed into the Toyota Voxy motor car that was heading in the opposite direction.
Number 25, seriously, Vanessa? This fight just dominated social media. Like, who can forget this? The two man them allegedly fighting over man. This was just crazy.
Really, truly, Amaya? Really?
Seriously, Vanessa? Seriously? Seriously right now?
Number 24, Skeng doing that epic pool dive. No, Skeng was just on a roll. So many people talking about him in the social media space, and he had a particular performance, and he did this, and it never really held on the entire room, as them people think say he's on something.
Nice.
My friend.
Number 23, casino munching video. No, this was a sex tape. You can call it of sorts, from the artist who's known for the single Baby Come Over. Yeah man, him have a full sex tape that he was telling to the girls that she tastes like diamond. Whoa. Okay, Berritos, I know I said diamond, but we're not talking the diamond like when it's on Billboard that have big hit #1 song. I'm talking about a diamond as a sort of review. He took to social media to update the public and address it and share that was his woman. And I like one like a crabber outer road, and they were just, having a like a festive moment. Them go up on Snapchat and record it and accidentally posted it. Number 22, DJ Khaled versus Sizzler. No, I don't think we need to give it much information, because this was pretty recent, where Sizzler Kalanji, he was upset with DJ Khaled, and so him just go up on Instagram Live and burn out the plaque them that the producer sent him.
Watch your blazing. Yeah. Got and clear.
Number 21, Chopper Barnet. No, this definitely rocked the dancehall reggae community. So many people had a lot of things to talk about, but essentially, people don't really listen to radio again. Everybody go up on the other social media sites for taking the content. The Broadcast Commission has issued a directive requiring broadcasters to take immediate steps to prevent the transmission of any recorded material that promotes and or glorifies illegal activity. Guided by and exercising the powers granted under the television and sound broadcasting regulations, the Commission now requires an immediate halt to the transmission of any audio or video recording, live song or speech which promotes and or glorifies scamming, illegal use or abuse of drugs such as Molly, illegal or harmful use of guns or offensive weapons, jungle justice or any forms of illegal or criminal activity. Number 20, the student-teacher fight at Denham Town High School. Whew.
Me blame him too, because if he never go into the class, this wouldn't happen. And it's not his class, and the teacher don't teach him. Him shouldn't go in there none at all.
Miss Coleman says the teacher who lifted a desk to hit her son should have conducted herself better in the situation. She says her son went into the classroom to buy sweets from another student.
So when him go in there, him say the teacher don't like him. So me say, if you know the teacher don't like you, don't go into our class. So him say him go in there to buy sweetie, and the teacher said to him, say, come out. Him say, teacher, why you talk to me like that? And you run me like dog, and me and a dog. So she insists to push him out.
No, number 19 is the $12 million Negril Sign.
2, 3. Here we go. Woo! Nice. There you go.
Even Damian Crawford jump into it and said, come like one old piggy bank.
Watch out. Look falling, then look a whole here for $12 million.
I know me here said the people them thief the like them that was on the sign. Come on now, Jamaican. We can't just a chop so. And yeah, we have whole heap of chopping what we are do, because look how 2023 start off and about 5 different cases of chopping are go on with the bank them. Me so get into that.
Here we go on.
Number 18, windscreen wiper migrate now. If we're in the Kingston and St. Andrew area, we know so that's this brother that usually, you know, like wipe the car glass them and stuff. But this brother is no longer in Jamaica. In fact, woman are foreign and he is living the life.
And he is. That is it. Too easy, man. Up top. Life is nice. You see it. That's how we are live in Florida. It's too easy. Dennis, where's the Dennis? Too easy.
Number 17, Vagrant versus gun owner. Now, this had, just like Jamaican, split. Some people were very much in support of the homeless woman and other persons were on the side of the firearm holder. And so, at this point, we'd love to still ask, you know, like, who did y'all side with when this video surfaced?
What's fair, mama? What's that? This. Somebody else I idiot? I want me just witness a while ago.
Number 16, Radam Slang by Peanut Dread.
Anything sweet you? Go and show your ass. Radam! Anything sweet you? Go and show your ass. Radam! Anything sweet you? Go and show your ass. Radam! We are backward, man.
What you mean?
Oh, you mean bicycle lick you down Radam? Car lick you Radam.
Radam!
Bike. Them they are not a joke, man.
Radam! People love it.
We are backward. It's not when bad things happen you have to get funny, no brother, right? And when people win money, you feel laugh. Yeah. And when people are dead, you know, see your life them take and make fun. Brother,
Number 15, the Silk Boss and Bree Sykes tape. Yeah, man. Yeah. Okay. Now, number 14, this goes to the spirits taking over the students at Oberlin High. For the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Number 13, we have to give it to Dexter Dabs and That Identity Situation. I don't know what kind of transaction was going on stage, but social media had decided that he was engaging in this dance, this stage moment with someone who was deemed as a trans woman. But when story come to bump, never go so. Social media, I tell you. Number 12, Little Addy, Not the Daddy. This need Maury.
So I'm asking about that. How has that been? Can't answer that question because I'm not a father. So I can't answer that question. But just confirm it. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Now, number 11, Shenzia and Meg Thee Stallion, Lick.
Want me a mouth?
Alright, it has been getting more of say mixed reviews, but many of the reviews that I am seeing is that people don't really love the track. Me not love the song, but it's because of Shenzia and me love Brand Jamaica. Me go just like, yo, me listen to the song, me stream it same way because I support, I saw it go.
Number 10, Silk Boss Slapped. No, the brother, imagine in the prime of his career, like just putting out hit songs after hit songs. This video surfaced in which, you know, like he was ganged up by some men and he was slapped across the face and it just never looked good. But the brother, in just true star style, was able to just push past all of those controversy and still maintain his connection to the Jamaican audience. Yeah, I have to give him a props for that. Number 9, I have to go and give it to the Delano Tucker story, the documentary that like this definitely captured the heart of so many Jamaicans, hearing that this young man that despite his circumstances was still showing up to school, still getting good grades and just making his family and the entire country and school proud.
And so I time we just now not full off with teeth. So circle that, go to school or breakfast, I'm reach school now and lunchtime come. Come up on the PAL program, we get one lunch. But take a COVID, the PAL program up on pause. And my mother don't have it to give me lunch money. So I just go in a little corner and drink my water and go on my next class.
Delano is very persistent. Everything he tries to do, he do it to the best of his ability.
So how is it like growing this young man?
It was not very hard because he learned very quickly.
After time, all 2 or 3 months we don't eat meat. So in time mother cook food, she just fry up onion and garlic and I free meat that. Other time she steam rice, she give it with bun oil. But I don't make it bother me. Because I know that she don't have it. So I have to do my best at school and come take her out of the circumstances.
No, number 8, no, this has to be the couple of 2022. Tony and Singh and Popcorn dating?
Say hi, Tony.
Number 7, no, this boy, the story they go international. This has to do with the Jamaica Zoo lion bite. Oh my God, I hope that zookeeper is doing well at this moment because boy, oh boy. No, number 6 has to be the Slickiana story. No, this case that involving you know, with her and this brother were named Rushane. It's just completely so sad, so sad. But I was really pleased to see the overwhelming support that she got from her supporters, from her family, and just well-wishers. Now, number 5 is the catch the at a lie moment with Valiant. That slang, that catchphrase that just completely went viral.
Father Depot.
Father.
Fully.
You catch it at a lie?
Outside a lie.
Oh my God, I'm actually catching the at right now, but I'm not lie. Can you actually catch the at and it not be a lie? Catch the at a true? Can that be a thing? Yeah, I mean, no. I wanna just. Now, number 4, Donnelly and Noel Maitland. Once again, another influencer, another major story. Like, where do I even begin?
She is a social media influencer. She has popularity. She's a beautiful girl. She's young. But I really feel it's the storyline. That storyline of, you know, the JCF, where you have like a triangle, a love triangle that went wrong. I mean, that is a soap opera type of thing that in today's day and age of likes, shares, and comments, people are going to draw to that storyline. Plus, more importantly, her family and friends they kept on applying the pressure. They constantly kept her name in the news. They kept the name in the public. They had the marches and they did what they needed to do.
Number 3, that is Biggs with the
I'm a fire some boy have it. Watch the style big split fully chip. You know we rich past the brick. Let me fling it on the pretty little bitch. Watch a girl my youth cause she want for something.
And like Valiant, this skyrocketed One Big's boss to just like being viral about the place. So many people knowing him getting booked for shows, and a pretty decent career in Jamaica right now. Number 2. Oh my God, this has to be Spice. You know that there cannot be a countdown, a topical discussion about pop culture moments, especially in Jamaica, without having the queen of dancehall, Spice. So, yeah man, Spice and that drama about she going to Dominican Republic, some surgery, what could have happened, what was going on. Yeah, this definitely dominated.
The only concrete thing that we have seen come from the Spice camp was this recent post that was put up on her story of a singer called Same Mouth.
Same out, you feed at your table.
you we can't do to able. The same out, we say you fit disabled. Sometimes we wish them out did have a label. Them I wish for me fall out.
And so I'm just happy to see that Spice seems to be doing well now, and she is ready to come back to her seat in the dancehall throne for 2023. So I'm sure she'll be giving us more pop culture moments this year. And now, Burritos, before I head into the number one pick for 2022, here are some notable moments of, social media moments of 2022.
You know what's crazy? Today, you can see my hair looking like this, all basic. And then tomorrow, my hair looking like proper hotness. Hello, watch it, no man. Hold on there. The birds and the bees have to see how hot me look. Excuse me, somebody have to see this. One boy can't so hot. Jesus! Hold on there. No, I'm going to go back inside. No, the can't see this for free.
Auto Commission NWC workers restive and festive.
U-turn. She's having us round in the plaza. Don't move. You're not coming. Miss, come out of the vehicle.
I realize so no love when me say this. Ready? Laugh out loud. Boy, that one a funny star.
And I'm still get out of me after I run the church and I'm anoint me.
God, please come down. This boy said my shoes is ugly and I need very disrespectful.
My ask why she said she a freezing.
Everything you could want to get from here.
I turn my life over back to God.
I'm afraid of you. Don't come near me.
Yeah. We found out we're cousins.
And number one, no, wait for it. I am going to give it to the professional clown moment because it just like had the virality, it had the drama, it had the spin-off stories.
Watch out. Come out of this.
And it had a moment where we could really get to sit back, look, and really delve into the culture. And so, number one has to be the professional clown and the Zip FM saga. That whole entire thing, like, whoo!
Even if you give somebody a gift, give them one book, man, where I talk about anger management, how to respect people, how to respect your rights and others' rights. Therapy, something about therapy, something about, humanity. So the same weapon that was used in the egregious act, you get a new one with a bow and a wrapping paper that time, yeah. But you can't make this stuff up.
And that is it, Burritos. That is the social media countdown 2022 top 30 year in review. I'm doing well. I hope that you Burritos, that y'all are doing well as well. Boy, I've been busy. Boy, I've been trying to set up things so I can deliver some really premium content to you guys. I hope that y'all have been enjoying the new year so far. Have a good, nice, festive Christmas and all of these things. And just make sure to say on a like, on a comment, on a share, on a support as much as you can, because on the agenda is the road to 300,000 subscribers. I think I deserve to be there, and so I want for just support me along that journey. Do the usual like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to join the DuttyBerryshow YouTube channel movement. Okay, and let me know in the comments what was your favorite topic, which one you think some forget that you would have wanted me to include in my top 30 social media countdown moments of 2022 sound off, because I'll be looking in the chat to hear on a feedback. Okay, take care until next time. Yeah, and we have the bold saga for chat about.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things that going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, yo, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.